In this video, I'll show you how you can buy the best possible domain name on Namecheap for the best possible price if you're a beginner and you've never bought a domain name before. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go over to the Namecheap website, which is namecheap.com, and that will bring you to the main homepage where you can go ahead and start typing out domain names and you can see if they're available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to randomly type out a domain name for another video. So Streaming Made Easy is the domain I want to register. So just go ahead and type it in and then click on search here. Once you've clicked on search, it will then show you the options. Now, I've got streamingmadeeasy.com, which is a premium domain, which is going to cost me $2,900. A bit expensive for a domain name. I can also go ahead and get streamingmadeeasy.net for $8 a year, which is more reasonable, and the .org domain for $7.49. When you're buying a domain, I would recommend you only go with .com, .net, or .org, because those are going to be the favorable domains for Google. I wouldn't go ahead and buy anything else. You will find that when you're searching for domains, either they're not going to be available or you're going to be asked to pay ridiculous prices for premium domains. So you're going to have to be creative with what domain name you choose, because obviously you don't want to be paying $3,000 for a domain. So after changing my domain to Streaming Made Very Easy, we've now got that domain available for $6.98 per year, and that sounds reasonable to me, so I'm going to go ahead and add that to cart. Now I'm going to go ahead and check out in the bottom right hand corner, and here's where you're going to edit your settings. You're going to edit how long you want the domain for, what you want to pay, and whatever add-ons you want to add on to the domain. So you've got the domain registration for 1 year. You can change it to 2 years and all the way up to 10 years if you want to. You can also turn on auto renew, which will auto renew your domain when it expires. This is good if you want to just set and forget your domain and you don't want to worry about having to renew it. For the video though, I'm going to keep auto renew off because I don't really mind about this domain expiring. There's then an ICANN fee of 18 cents. You're then going to get domain privacy, which is free forever. And obviously keep this on because without this, people are going to be able to look up your domain, see who owns it, and see your personal info. Some other domain registration companies don't give you this for free, so that's why I use Namecheap. Premium DNS just guarantees your domain uptime is going to be 100%. If you have this disabled, like I'm going to do, your domain name will be up for 99.9% of the time, so don't worry about it. I wouldn't get this if I was you. Then scrolling down here, you've got other add-ons which you can add if you want to. SSL certificates, VPNs, WordPress hosting, and so on. Again, I wouldn't choose any of these. I would get my WordPress hosting through another platform like Bluehost. If you don't want to sign up for them, by the way, I'll leave a link in the description. It is the best web hosting. But once you're happy with all of this, we can then confirm our order. Now it's going to ask you if you've got an account already or if you want to create one. I've already got an account, so I'm just going to enter in my username and password. But if you didn't, you just enter in basic information here and then create your account. So now I've logged into my account and what I need to do is add billing information because mine is expired. Because you've obviously not got any billing information on your account either, you will also have to do the same. I'm going to add a new card here and I'm going to enter in my information here. And then I'll take you to the next step. Now it will take you over to the order form where you just get an overview of your order. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll see your payment information and so on. But once you're happy with all of this, you can go ahead and click Pay Now, and then that should process the payment. And there you go, thank you for your purchase, here's your order number. So now what you can do, you can go to the Namecheap homepage, and then go to your username, go to Dashboard, and here when you go to Domain List, you should be able to see your domain. So here it is, streamingmadeveryeasy.com, you can see it is active, and auto renew is turned off. So that's how you can buy a domain name on Namecheap. If that helps you out, please do leave a like and let me know in the comments. And watch this video here if you do find it helpful.